The hot topic is the seat increment in NEET PG 2022 counselling and the NMC bill. Here comes the breaking news regarding the NMC bill and its issue in Madhya Pradesh. So today in this video, I am going to talk about the whole scenario that is going on in Madhya Pradesh and the issues related to the NMC bill in it. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now back to the topic. Breaking news is that NMC bill is not implemented for the 2022 or 23 session. This was the update which come from the Madras High Court, right? They totally reject this NMC bill, right? After that, NMC took a very good step and they give one opportunity that the 50% of the seats of the private college will be come with the fees of government college seats. Give this step, which is the very good step, but on the other hand, every new step has its pros and cons. And the biggest question arises by the MP on the NMC bill is that what about the remaining 50% seats of the private college? What will be the fees? What will be the fee structure? This point is not clear till date on the clarity on this question. And if there is no clarity, they will give one statement that till that time, the clarity is not there. The fees will remain the same as that of it was earlier for the last year in case of the private seats of medical colleges in case of the NEET PG 2022 counselling. As you already know that the NMC bill is rejected by Kerala also, rejected by Madras also, and now the Madhya Pradesh has the issue as they want the clarity on certain topics, right? Because it is the main issue. If there is no clarity regarding the fees of the remaining 50% seats in the private college for the NEET PG, then there might be the chances that there is a sudden increase in the fees of the remaining seats of NEET PG in case of the private college, and the seat is unaffordable for the students to take and to take the admissions. After 2 days, there is another information come in the MP, that is the Madhya Pradesh counselling registration start, NMC bill implemented and the eligibility criteria. Madhya Pradesh state has published their registration schedule for the NEET PG 2022 counselling, and that was released on the 14th September 2022 on their official website, that is the www.dme.mp.online.gov.in. Till now you know that the NMC bill is there in MP and they said that 42.5% seats will come under this NMC bill and they have the fees of same as that of a government seat in a government college, right? Which is a very good step. The chances is that the MP seats, the seats in MP was only enhanced by those students who have done their MBBS from MP or who have a domicile of MP, right? For the non-domicile student, it is the very tough to take the seat in MP. Non-domicile student or those people who have not done the MBBS from the MC, tough for you to take the seat in MP for the NEET PG 2022 counselling. MP state has certain criteria of the NEET PG 2022 counselling. They say that first they give the priority to the student who have their domicile and who have done their MBBS from MP only. Then the remaining seats will be offered to the non-domicile student if any seat is left, right? And mostly if we see the last 2 to 3 years analysis of the counselling of NEET PG, we found that mostly the clinical branches are filled by the MP students only. Non-domicile students are unable to apply for the upper clinical branch in MP. Definitely it's a fact that the state has mainly the priority for their students only rather than for the non-domicile student. After 2 to 3 days, there is the opposition come between the MP and the NMC bill is that there is one notice released in which 42.5% government seats will be there, and meaning 42.5% private college seats is there. So what will be the fees? That has to be decided by the AFRC. But Still, they are thinking about the fees regarding the remaining 50%. They give a tentative idea that right now the clinical branch has a fees of nearly about 13 to 16 lakh range per year in case of the clinical seat in private college. Now they are trying to increase it by just double. Like for only 1 year, you need to pay 26 to 32 lakhs in private college for the clinical seat. So the private college went for this, that this fees is very high. Student will definitely not fill the seat, not apply for this private college or private seats, and the seat will remain SH. The second point is that there is the unnecessary burden on the student regarding the fees in the private college. Right, so that's why the MP government has put the case against the NMC in the court. There is one more information that come in between, that wherever the central government is there, they said the NMC bill is applied. But till now, even if we see in case of a MP also, they also put the case regarding this NMC bill because they want the clarity regarding the fees of the remaining 50% seats in case of the private medical college. So the result will be announced in the Supreme Court, or the decision will be announced in the Supreme Court on 23rd September 2022. So just let's hope for the best. Just pray that everything come in favor of us only. So that's all about the whole issue regarding the NMC bill and the MP state regarding with the NEET PG 2022 counseling. Hope you like this information. Then hit the like button to this video. Along with that, if you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Till then, thank you for watching.